Where are we going, Riv?
To the frozen lake.
Let's go check it out.
I'm in the eating area.
All right, we made it to the lake. It was a very slow drive in, but there's a little bit of snow on the ground, and fortunately there's not going to be much overnight, so we should be okay for the drive out tomorrow. But it's going to be some nice views here tomorrow morning, I think. Anyway, I'm going to get the furnace turned on and the kids in the trailer, and we'll see you folks in the morning. Come.
Hey, Pen. Hey, girlie, take it. Dad, watch me do cannonball.
Okay. Slow and steady.
Can do that one.
Yep.
What do earthquakes look like? Dad, you want me to jump off?
Whoa.
Oh, you want to go down that way?
Yep, we'll go down that way and then we'll go around the corner, and then our fire will probably be nice and warm. Let's go. Here comes Penny.
Let me go on the train, 'cause I'm the train. I'm in the train. Daddy's the last one in the train. Dad, you're the last one in the train.
I'm the caboose.
Yeah. What's the middle car?
I think this boot, oh yeah, this boot is nice and ready. Straight leg. There, does that feel good? Your leg here. Do you love winter camping?
Yeah. Dad, can it be yes day today?
Yes. What is that, Rita? What's that hanging in the tree there?
Sparklers.
What? How'd those get there?
I know who. Fairy Terry.
Who?
Fairy Terry.
You think Fairy Terry knew what we were coming up here?
Mm-hmm.
Fairy Terry loves to leave us sparklers.
Okay, Ritter.
Are you tuckered out?
Make sure to don't burn the blanket.
Oh, Rita, did you just get one for Riv? You didn't want to do one? That's nice, honey. So after this, we are going to pack up and head home. Get packed up, enjoy the fire for a little bit, burn Mummy's quilt by accident. Sorry, Mummy.
Hold it.
Yeah, but thanks for checking out our video, and we'll see you in the next one. I've burnt lots of things around campfires.
Yeah, you burned one of my mitts.
I have. I've burnt boots. I've burnt shoes. I've burnt mitts.
You burned jacket.
Jackets, quilts.
You even burned rocks.